Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. In this video, I want to quickly show you how I cut a flutter sleeve or a half circle sleeve, like I love to call it. So first things first, I am measuring round my finished armhole. So I've already sewn the upper bodies of my blouse and I'm measuring the armhole here, which is what I'm going to use to cut the sleeve, and I got 10.5 inches. Here's my fabric, my Ankara fabric. I folded it into two by the width, which is the 45 inches. So I folded it into two, and this is what we have right now. I'm going to fold it again to form a triangle, as you will see. So now we have our fabric folded in a bias, and then I'm cutting two of the sleeves at once. That is why I folded into four. So after folding, I'm going to get a point. I just randomly draw a straight line at one point. The line should be at least 10.5 inches, which is what I got when I measured the armhole. So I had exactly that here. So on this side where I have the open end, I'm going to come down by 4 inches from that line and then make a curve, the same curve you will make when drafting your basic sleeve. So I'm going to measure around that curve to be sure that I have at least 10.5 and another 1 or 2 inches. So if all is fine, I went ahead to extend the curve above that line. This is completely optional. You don't have to, but I did anyways. So seeing that I extended that line, I'm going to extend it all the way to the other side like I did the first line. So that will now be where my sleeve length is going to start. So on that line, I'm going to mark the length of my sleeve, which is 11 inches plus 1 inch of allowance, making it 12. So I'm going to be marking 12 inches all around, starting from that line like that. So I keep marking 12 inches until I get to the other end. So after that, I will be cutting it out like so. So next I'm going to notch the upper part, just to note the middle, and then I will open the other part. That will give us 2 sleeves. That is the wrong side of my fabric I'm marking, and then I'm opening this other end, which is still on fold, and now we have 2 of our sleeves all cut at once. That is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.